Prepare to be mesmerized as I unveil the stunning world of peacocks. Did you know about that there are over 10 million peacocks scattered across the globe? These magnificent creatures have captured the hearts of nature enthusiasts and artists alike with their vibrant colors, graceful movements, and elaborate courtship displays. So today, I'm going to tell you about top 10 unbelievable and most beautiful peacock species in the world. 1. Congo Peafowl. Congo Peafowl is one of the beautiful peacock species, which is also known as the African peafowl. Found in Africa, this bird looks a bit different from the rest of the peacocks, where the normal peacock has large feathers, while the Congo peafowl has smaller feathers. If we talk about the length of this peacock, then the length of the male peafowl can be up to 64 to 70 centimeters. At the same time, the length of the female peafowl is 60 to 63 centimeters. Male peafowl in Congo peafowl are metallic green with deep blue in color and have red skin on their neck. They have some white-colored hair on their head, which looks like a crown. On the other hand, if we talk about female fowl, then their belly is black in color. The side near the neck is brown and the upper part is metallic green in color, and the crown part of these female fowls is also brown. If we talk about their food, then these peafowl eat all kinds of small insects and plants. 2. Palawan Peacock Pheasant. Palawan peacock pheasant is considered one of the most attractive peafowls in the world. Why would it be considered? You can probably understand this by looking at this peafowl. The feathers and the color of the body of this prettiest peacock are completely different from other peacocks. Found on the Palawan island of the Philippines, the color of this peacock is a metallic blue bubble. At the same time, the color of their feathers is dark metallic, green, blue, and black, and the top and bottom of their eyes are white, which adds to their beauty even more, whereas the male peafowl is so colorful. At the same time, female peafowl is quite dull in this species. Their face is dark gray in color and their entire body is brown in color. If we talk about the length of the Palawan peacock pheasant, then it grows up to about 16 inches. At the same time, the length of the male peafowl is up to 20 inches. Talk about their food, they eat nuts, leaves, and insects. Peacocks of this species are rarely seen. That is why till now the exact proof of their number has not been found. 3. Great Argus Pheasant. This species of peacock, that is quite large, and their feathers are also very different from other species of a peacock. While other peacocks open their feathers backward, the peacock of this species opens its feathers forward. If the Great Argus Pheasant is also called the Golden People, then it will not be wrong, because almost the entire part of their body is of golden color. Only their feet are of pink color and their neck and part of the face are of blue color. If we talk about their length, then their length is about 63 to 79 inches. Being so tall, they need a large enough space to live. On the other hand, if we talk about the female peafowl of the Great Argus Pheasant species, then these males are much duller than the peafowl and are smaller. Their length ranges from about 12 to 14 inches. These peafowls also like to eat things like small insects, fruits, and leaves like most of the other peafowl. 4. Green Peafowl. As their name suggests, green peafowl are about 80% green. They look exactly like Indian peafowl. The only difference is the color and species. These green peafowl are found in South Asia. If we talk about their length, then this peafowl can grow up to about 1 to 3 meters. Green peafowl lays its nest on the ground, and lays 3 to 6 eggs in it, and takes care of those eggs. They like to eat fruit, reptiles, and frogs. Green peafowl can also hunt dangerous snakes, that other species of a peacock cannot. 5. Ocellated Turkey. Listening to turkey, you might have understood that this bird belongs to Turkey. The peacock of this species is also called the peacock of Turkey, which has been named Ocellated Turkey, as you can see. These peafowl are very colorful, due to which they are also very attractive. Although ocellated turkeys are smaller in size than other peacocks, there is no dearth in their beauty. Seeing them, it seems as if someone has decorated them by sitting leisurely. There are small marks of orange color on their blue neck, which look exactly like orange pearls. This specialty is found in both male and female birds of this species. If we talk about the length of ocellated turkey, then their length can increase from about 70 to 120 centimeters, and they like insects to eat. The most important thing about this peacock is that it does not fly even when there is any danger, but runs on the ground itself. 6. Gray peacock pheasant. Gray peacock pheasant, you are seeing now, is not a common bird, but the national bird of Myanmar. These peacocks are very delicate. They do not look very colorful in appearance, but still, they are quite beautiful. The body of the gray peacock pheasant is grease-brown with green spots on it. The area near their eyes is pink and yellow, while the area near the throat is white. On the other hand, if we talk about the female peafowl of this species, then this peafowl is not more beautiful than the male peafowl. Female peafowl of this species lays 2 eggs at a time, and takes care of them. If we talk about the length of the gray peacock pheasant, then their length is up to 76 centimeters. If we talk about their food, then they also like to eat small earthworms, leaves, mammals, and reptiles. 7. Malayan peacock pheasant. Malayan peacock pheasant is also called crested peacock pheasant, or Malaysian peacock pheasant. Many people get confused between the gray peacock pheasant and the Malayan peacock pheasant, as they look almost identical. While the gray peacock pheasant is grace-brown in color, the Malayan peacock pheasant is pale brown in color, and has blue-green ice spots on its wings. The neck part of the Malayan peacock pheasant and a small part below it is white in color, wherein their feet are black. If we talk about their length, the length of the male is up to 50 centimeters. At the same time, the length of the female is up to 40 centimeters. The female peafowl of this species is also not more beautiful than the male peafowl. The wings of the peafowl of this species are very small, and the wings of the female are smaller than that of the male. If we talk about their food, then they like to eat small insects, leaves from the ground, mammals, and reptiles. 8. White peafowl. These beautiful white peacocks, someone sees them with open wings, then they may not lose their sight. Even though this peacock does not have any kind of color, it can give tough competition to any colorful peacock. Many people do not know that white peafowl is actually blue peafowl, which is white due to genetic mutation. Their color is white from top to bottom, due to the migration of pigment cells. Many people think of white peafowl as an albino, but it is not so. Albinos also have no color and their eyes are red or pink, while the eyes of the white peafowl are blue. When this peacock is small, its color is light yellow, and the feathers are white in color. As they grow up, these peacocks become completely white. 9. Mountain peacock pheasant. Rothschild's peacock pheasant, also called the mountain pheasant, is a medium-sized bird that's mostly blackish-brown. It has small eye-like spots on its feathers and long tail feathers that can reach up to 65 centimeters long. What's interesting is that both male and female Rothschild's peacock pheasants look alike. However, there are some differences between them. The male has shiny blue spots on its upper body and green spots on its tail feathers, which are arranged in a gradation. Additionally, males have 2 spurs on their legs. On the other hand, beautiful females peacocks have black spots on their upper body, no spurs on their legs, and a tail with only 8 feathers. 10. The Indian peacock. The Indian peacock, also known as the Indian peafowl, is one of the most widely recognized and admired peacocks in the world. Its vibrant blue and green feathers, coupled with its elaborate display during courtship, make it a breathtaking sight to behold. Native to the Indian subcontinent, the Indian peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. Its striking plumage, adorned with striking patterns and iridescent colors, attracts attention from admirers around the globe. With its iconic fan-shaped train of feathers, the Indian peacock captivates all who witness its courtship display. The male unfurls its long train feathers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of vibrant colors and intricate patterns, in an effort to attract a mate. This display is often accompanied by loud calls, adding to the sensory experience. Whether in its natural habitat or in captivity, the Indian peacock continues to mesmerize people with its regal appearance and captivating behavior. Its presence is a testament to the wonders of nature and the beauty that exists in the animal kingdom. So, these were the unbelievable and most beautiful peacocks in the world, which you have never seen before. Indeed, this species of peacock is quite beautiful, but the sad thing is that the population of these species is not very high. If you liked this video, then share it and tell us by commenting on which peacock you like the most.